Good afternoon, teacher and class. My name is Emma. And my name is Mary. My topic is refrigeration and air conditioning. My introduction is refrigeration and air conditioning consists of treatment that is efficient, advanced overtime, and generally increasing environment. Therefore, this allows preventive goals and noise as well as important and effective. Many features for people is healthier, wherever it is allowed for reliability in the performance and electronic equipment of the refrigeration system, which is comfortable and transferred to the equipment, has permanent wear on the and years of working. My body is refrigeration and air conditioner are intentional technologies and more efficient and conformal environment in more residential and commercial space. They also promote energy efficient through the use of modern equipment, which whatever reduce electrical consumption and reduce cooling system for use. Normally, the refrigeration and air of plastic are ready. The solution of remote control and wherever the systems have commencing temperatures and control immediate damage, which is radiated, is for health and green. Furthermore, there is essential technology to my home's office and industries. My opinion is so I believe that regulation and air conditioning and the system represent the ideal solution for climate control and meet variety of environments, whereas there is technology and recognizing for the